Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the bird feeder station. Bear with me because it's going to take some time to open this one. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So the reason I got this thing is we're getting into that time of year where I like feeding birds, and there's all kinds of different options on here. So you've got the metal mesh tray, which is great for seed. It's also great because any kind of moisture isn't going to just sit in your dish and make your seed soggy and yucky. So we've got the mesh tray. So it's going to be our topper. So all of it is metal, and it's actually sturdier than I thought. It's a good sturdy metal. Got another set of arms. I'll say this, everything was protected pretty well, wrapped pretty well. Every piece is in plastic. We've got two additional arms. We have the plastic water dish for the birds to bathe or drink out of. We have a lot of stuff in here, bear with me. We've got the suet cage. Now, some of you might have a use for some of this stuff, and some of you might not. If you're like me, I've got birds that eat suet. Some areas you're in, you might not have a need for that. You don't have to put all of these things up. That's kind of up to you. So the cage is nice and tight as far as it being closed, but that's how you open it. Slide your suet cake in there and then close it. Again, metal feels nice and sturdy. It's got a hanging chain. These are going to be the arms to hold the mesh cage that we looked at earlier, as well as the plastic water dish. A lot of pieces here. We've got another cage feeder. This would be if you've got suet balls or something like that. We have the instructions. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see these, okay? Sorry, this is a rather long unboxing video because there's so many items that come with the feeder. And then this is going to be the assembly. The thing we have left is just pole. I'll say this, the metal is very sturdy. Like I say, it's not like a cheap aluminum or something like that. It's a sturdy metal. Our ground fork, and then again another pole. I'm gonna take it outside. I'm gonna get it all set up. Okay, so I've got the bird feeder pole station set up. It was really easy to set up. The directions are actually very good on it. Now I'm going to show you all the items and where I put them, but you can put them anywhere you want to, and then you can choose not to use some of these items if you want. But I've got my water dish near the bottom. Then I put my seed tray a little bit higher. Put a hook there. Now I don't have anything to put on that hook yet, so I could have simply left that hook off. I just left it there. I've seen a couple of birds perch on it. I usually just put these hooks out just to have them in case I needed to put something there. But again, you can put these things wherever you want on the pole, higher, lower, take them off the pole, anything you want to. And then finally the top. Now, I'm not planning on using the top too much, but once it gets to hummingbird season, I'm planning on just putting hummingbird feeders on every one of those 4 hooks up at the top. But anyway, I am happy with it. It looks great in the yard. It's not too big or overwhelming.